to see higher testing rates, especially
Budgies,
in those areas.
it's under lockdown. You have to go in.
Today, we are going
See,
to
she's saying you have to go in.
announcement, and we are
You
doing
cannot be
this
outside. Go back in.
We
See,
know
those
that
three are following the
UK
rules.
strain
Why are you
is
not?
highly infectious. It is
See, she's saying it's infectious. Go in.
infectious, and we
Budgies,
are
go
going
in.
to go hard, and we are going to go early.
Okay, you have until 6 p.m. to go in.
To stop the spread of this virus. It is
Come on, Budgie, you have to go
I
in.
have been briefed extensively by Dr. Young. I have accepted Dr. Young's
See,
strong
you have to follow that.
and
Go
will
in the
be
cage.
following actions.
No flying.
Brisbane will be entering
Come on.
a 3-day lockdown.
You have to go in. See what she's saying.
Metro North, Metro
No
South,
need to fly on trees. Go back in.
the council areas to make it very clear.
Budgie,
for
please
everybody.
go back in.
The areas that will be declared Greater Brisbane will be
See,
the
she's saying you
council
have to be
areas of
inside.
Brisbane, Logan, Ipswich,
Don't be naughty. Go back in.
and Redlands.
Go back.
From 6
See,
p.m. tonight,
They are following it.
Friday,
They are being good
6
budgies.
p.m. Monday,
You are the naughty one.
all residents